Films on Demand is a large collection of streaming videos on many subjects that you can watch in the classroom, in the library, at home, or wherever you have a computer. No matter what your assignment is, you are more than likely to find something to watch on that topic. On each subject guide, we've linked you directly to the videos that are the most appropriate for that particular subject. For this example, we are using the History subject guide that's linked to the History videos in Films on Demand. Click on the video collection link to go to Films on Demand. So after clicking on the link on the subject guide, you're now into Films on Demand in their History video collection. You'll see on the left sidebar links to more specific subjects. If you want to browse through those videos, click on the link that is most appropriate to your search. So if you wanted 21st Century America, go ahead and click on that. You'll see a list of 65 different titles. If you decide you want to jump to Early America, go ahead and click on that. Before you get too far into searching for a video, you should go ahead and log in so you can take advantage of several features that this database has to offer, like creating playlists and saving favorite videos. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account up at the top. You do not have to use your Northwest information if you do not want to. You can use another email address and come up with a different password if you like. Just make sure to remember it or write it down so that you can come back to it later. After filling out this form completely, click on Login. I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in by clicking in the Sign In link and putting in my username and password. Now you're on the landing page for Films on Demand. You'll see a long list of all the subjects in alphabetical order. If you are not on this page and you want to come back to it, simply click on Home. If you want to jump to a particular subject, click on the Collections tab at the top of the page and then click on the subject that you want. Again, we'll select History for this example. You can see over 2,000 videos in the History category. Again, on the left sidebar, you'll see videos broken down into narrower subjects. If you want to browse a category, again, you can click on that link. For example, I'll again click on Early America. Look at the first video, how the states got their shape. Click on the title to see more information about the video. You'll see the video box on the left. If you want to adjust the volume, click on the audio button. If you want to make the video full screen, click on the Open Full Screen button. Press Escape to exit the full screen mode. On the right, you'll see links to particular segments within that video. To jump to a specific segment within the video, click on the segment title. The video will start at that particular segment. Click on the Transcript tab. You can see all the audio of the video written out. If you click on a particular statement within the transcript, the video that includes that part of the transcript will load so you can see the images that go along with those words. If you click on the Related tab, you'll see a list of videos that might also be of interest to you. Under the video box, you can email the video to you or someone else. Just fill out that form and click Email Video. Hit Close when you're finished. You can also create a playlist. Click on Playlist. You can add the entire video to the playlist or just particular segments. Instead of using iTunes to make a music playlist, you are using Films on Demand to make a movie playlist. So add those segments that you will want to rewatch later. Click on it. You can also do multiple ones, but for this example, we'll just do one. You can add to an existing playlist by selecting from your list and then click on Add to Playlist, or you can create a new one. Just type in the title and then click Create New Playlist. And you'll see under it, it says these items have been added. Click Close when you are finished. If the video is one that you would watch over again, add it to your favorites. Click on Favorite. You can add it to an existing folder in your favorites, or you can create a new one. I'm going to create a new History Favorites folder. It says this item has been added. If you wanted to add it to an existing folder, just select one and click Add to Folder. Hit Close when you are finished. If you are using this for an assignment, click on the citation link to get a citation in MLA. Click on the radio buttons of Chicago or APA style if you would rather have that style. You can cut and paste this information into your paper, but double check to make sure that the citation is completely correct. Scroll up to the top. If you want to see what you have in your playlist, click on the playlist button. That will take you to your playlist. Here we have our survey playlist and our classroom playlist. Click on favorites, you'll see the list of all your favorite videos. Go ahead and click on that and it'll take you right back to the video. To search for a video, you can look for segments, titles, and transcripts. Type in keywords of what you're looking for. If you're looking for videos on eating disorders, type that in and hit search. You'll see that it found 114 segments for eating disorders within videos that may be also talking about other subjects. If you look for video titles with eating disorders, you'll find 47 videos that should be nothing but a video on eating disorders. If you look for transcripts, you'll find 228 videos that mention eating disorders somewhere in the video. So for the most specific search, try searching for videos with the titles of your search term. For more options, search for segments, or if you're not having any luck, search for transcripts with your search terms. When you are finished using Films on Demand, remember to log out by clicking on User Options up at the top and click Log Out. For more information on how to search Films on Demand in other databases, contact your Learning Resource Center. Click on the link to the Learning Resource Center's homepage at the top of the subject guide. You'll see the homepage for the Learning Resource Centers. For contact information to your Learning Resource Center, scroll to the Library menu on the left sidebar. You'll see links to Senatobia, DeSoto, and Oxford.